Hey everyone, welcome to part 3 of shooting and editing a vlog completely with an iPhone. We did part 1 talking about it. Part 2, I actually showed you a completed video that was actually posted on YouTube as the vlog for the day. So how did that come together? This is the part that I wanted to show you, so this is part 3. So we're actually recording on my computer, but we're going to be popping, let me see here, 6188. That's not a super secret password, so you don't have to worry. There we go. And so now we are on my iPhone 8. And so we got a couple of programs in here, including iMovie. So that's in my little, let's go back here. Where was that guy? So I bunch all my stuff together. So I had Instagram videos here. And iMovie is under that little folder because sometimes I make quick little movies and I upload them to Instagram. So part 2 you saw recently, and if you haven't, you might want to pop back and see that one first. But this is actually my part 2 video. So an entire vlog made on an iPhone. So that was edited and made on the iPhone. Sorry about me popping in. So in the iPhone, I can go in here and I can edit the video. So here's the whole thing with me talking to you for quite a while. And there is the entire video. So I'm actually fast forwarding through it. So I shot some video outside. I shot some video at an RV show and panning around there, looking in and out of the RVs, and then my follow-up as well. So rather than walk you through this one, let's just hit done and let's make a new video. So we could make a vlog, or we could just make a video for sharing with Instagram, whatever we'd like to do. But when you get into iMovie, you usually have the movies you've made and this cool little plus symbol that I just clicked on. So I would like to make a new movie. And now it offers me up everything from my camera roll. So we could remake that movie that I posted the other day. So I could go through here and select and say, let's grab Rich on that one, and let's grab that RV and that RV video and that RV video. And each of the videos tells you how long they are. So this one's 8.3 seconds. You can also add in still photos. So there I go. I added in a still photo. And here's another still photo from Cortez. And when I'm all set, here's an interior shot of the Airstream. Down at the bottom on my iPhone, you see the Create Movie, and it says that I've got 8 items, and it's about a 3-minute long movie. I'm going to hit Create the Movie, and there we go. All of the different clips that I put in are there, including me being the talking head as well. And me getting nervous.
Okay, so we're back.
One of these days I'll show you all the behind the scenes. You'll get a good laugh. All right, so if I want to move things around in here, I can. So we've got this giant clip of me, and let's say we don't even like the whole giant clip, and maybe partway through I say something dumb and I have to start the recording again. I can actually click, so I just clicked on that strip, and I can split it. And let's say the first part is what I messed up. After I've split it, I can delete it. So you can actually edit down your movie very easily. So let's go ahead and just take me right on out of that. And let's just start this as a simple movie walking around the Affinity RV show from the other week. So what else can I do here? We've got the video clips in here. Number one, I can click on a clip and I can drag it elsewhere. So maybe I'd like to make that my first intro clip. So now the little four-wheelers there and some pine trees, and then we've got the big fifth wheels, and then we've got me walking through part of the park and just doing strange things with the camera because I'm just zooming up on that wheel. And all right, I'm going to click on this one, and I would like to move it too. So tap it, and now I can drag it. So you can actually rearrange your clips. I'll pop that one right in there. And now I've got a whole new arrangement. What other things can I do on here? Well, I can hit the plus symbol, so I can add more moments, more videos, more photos. I can add an entire album. I can add an audio track to this as well. And so that's really cool. The audio tracks, what we get here, we've got theme music, sound effects, these are included. Things that we've imported, we can put our playlists. Now, if you're going to do something like that, you have to make sure that you are legal and that you have a license for copyrighted materials. Don't rip off people's music. There are a bunch of great services out there. The one that I use is called Soundstripe.com, and they've got a lot of great audio, and I could pop that audio in. So I can also get items out of my iTunes library, my albums, my artists, my songs. Once again, though, most of those are copyrighted, and I probably shouldn't be using them. But if I did add one in, it would actually appear below the track. Another thing I can do is add in a voiceover. So I just clicked add a voiceover, and check it out. We've got this voiceover recording screen. So I'm going to go ahead and hit record on that. And you heard the banging. So now I'm recording a voiceover for my visit to Affinity RV's show. That's pretty cool, and it should be picking it up with the phone. And when I go back afterward, I will have that clip there. So I just hit stop, and now I've got this recording below. So I can cancel it, I can retake it, I can review it, or I can accept it. I'm going to go ahead and accept it. And so now we've got this soundtrack below the video for my voiceover. It's that simple. So, all right, I'm going to go ahead and hit done, and it's named My Movie right now. I can click on My Movie and call it Demo. Whoop, I can type today. Demo for YouTube. So now I've got the name for it, so it's called Demo for YouTube. It's 1 minute and 23 seconds. I can go back and edit it, or down at the bottom here, left-hand side, I can hit the play button, play it, and get to watch it. I can also upload it somewhere, or I can delete it. Uploading it somewhere, let's hit that upload button. So where can we upload it to? Well, on the top bar, there's our YouTube. We could upload this directly to YouTube once we're done with it, which is what we did with the video part 2. You can also save it to your files. You can save it to your photo album. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to hit save, and I want it to be high def, so I click the 1080 option. So now it's exporting the movie there. And from my photo album, I can also export it to places. So I can upload it to YouTube. If it was a minute or less, I could upload it to Instagram. I can upload it to Facebook. So literally, I can pull this whole video together on my iPhone, edit it on my iPhone, overlay audio on the iPhone, and then in the end, I can upload it to my favorite service, be it YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or anywhere else. So now that movie was exported to my photo library, so I said okay, and I'm just going to close out of here, and I'm going to run over to my photo library and just take a look. Sure enough, bottom row, close to the right, 1 minute and 22 second long video, and I can actually play that video, and it'll have that voiceover that I did. And you heard the banging. So now I'm recording a voiceover for my visit to Affinity RV's show. That's pretty cool. All right, so there you go, and you even probably picked up the audio coming off of my iMac from that voiceover recording. So bottom line, as with many things that I talk about, be it photo editing, video editing, it's up to you to experiment, okay? So what does that mean for you? Well, if you've got an iPhone and you've got iMovie, you basically have a portable studio with you that you can vlog from anywhere on the road, anywhere in town. So if you're a full-time RVer, part-time RVer, out having fun traveling, whatever it is you're doing, you can actually fully film a vlog episode with just an iPhone, and then the tools coming with the iPhone like iMovie. So this can also be done on Android, and there are different tools and apps on Android, but everything that I have with me right now in the Airstream is all iOS. So with that in mind, that's why I'm doing this demo video with my iPhone. Okay, everyone, thanks for stopping in. I hope this was a useful episode. I hope you learned a little something, and I hope you realize that you can start vlogging today from the road with your smartphone. So pretty awesome. And we'll see you on the next one. And our next video is going to be shifting gears again, a little bit away from the tech reviews and the tech tutorials, back to some more information about working full-time from an RV. So we'll see you in the next episode, and have an awesome week.